Welcome back to Bitcoin Unchained, the channel that helps you break free from broken money. Today's video is going to ruffle some feathers. We're talking Bitcoin versus banks, how they differ, what they don't want you to know, and why one empowers you while the other controls you. Let's get into it. Most people don't question how banks operate. You deposit your money, they hold it, and give it back when you ask. But that's not the full picture. Banks don't just store your money, they lend it out. They use something called fractional reserve banking, which means they only keep a small portion of your deposit and loan out the rest. If every customer tried to withdraw at the same time, the bank wouldn't have the cash. It's not just theory. It happened in 2008, and again in 2023. Banks also act as gatekeepers. They can freeze your account, deny transfers, or charge fees for simply using your own money. Bitcoin flips that model upside down. There are no banks, no middlemen, no trust required. You are your own bank. With Bitcoin, you control your private keys, which means full ownership. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anytime, anywhere, with no permission. Bitcoin is also transparent. Every transaction is logged publicly on the blockchain. No manipulation, no secret balance sheets, no bailouts. Banks offer convenience, but at a cost. Control. They decide when you can access your funds, charge interest on money they created, and profit from your deposits while offering tiny returns. Bitcoin offers freedom. No one can stop your transactions. No one can inflate your money supply, and no one can seize your funds without your consent. In short, banks control your money. Bitcoin gives you control of it. Here's something they don't want you to think about. Banks and governments print money, and inflation eats away at your savings. What used to cost $1 now costs $3, and your dollars buy less every year. Bitcoin is immune to inflation. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. No printing, no dilution, no hidden tax on your time and labor. Banks operate on trust. Trust that they won't fail, that they'll be fair, that they'll protect you. Bitcoin runs on truth. Verified by code, not promises. The Bitcoin network has never been hacked, never shut down, and doesn't care about your race, country, or credit score. It's just rules, not rulers. Not necessarily. But the role of banks will change, because now people have a choice. Some banks are even buying Bitcoin, because they know the world is shifting. This isn't about replacing banks overnight. It's about building an alternative system that's open, transparent, and fair. Bitcoin isn't a bet against the dollar. It's a vote for financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still putting all their faith in banks. Next video, we'll look at why your children and grandchildren will thank you one day. Until then, stay sovereign, stay curious, stay unchained.